Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, August the 3rd, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, binary with 4 stars. And this one you are interested. The 4 stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 9021. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon on Sunday, yes. But first, let me start with this one. The Killer Sudoku, we have 2 given numbers. Given number 6, in this triple box of 9, that means that those 2 boxes together should be a 3. There's only one combination for the box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me mark this with 2 and a 1. And we have a triple box of 18 with a given number 5. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. Well, for Killer Sudoku, I need my average time 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And when you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. All right, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 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 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. This one has 1. And this one has 1. So these 6 big squares has 1 sharing box. And what you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is 45. The total sum of a row, well, this row has also 1 sharing box, is 45. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. All right? 17 plus 13 is 30. 30 plus 8 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This box should be a 7. In the box of 16, the combination will be 7 plus 9. This is completed. Okay, how about this one? If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 4 plus 14 is 18. 18 plus 12 is also 30. 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. So 45 minus 49 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In the box of 13, the combination will be 6 plus 7. All right, let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be in this big square. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus another 15 is 30. 30 plus 7 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. In the box of 12, the combination will be 8 plus 4. All right. Then we go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 11 plus 14 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 8 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This box will be a 7. In the box of 8, the combination will be 7 plus 1. All right. Okay. Then my next strategy is to look for look for boxes. Oh, wait. We have the row. This row has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, so 8 plus 12 is 20. 16 plus 4 is also 20. So double 20 is 40. 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 14, the combination will be 5 plus 9. We go to the last row. Double 14 is 28. 28 plus 8. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. 45 minus 43 is a 2. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7. Okay. Now, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 4. Only one combination, 3 plus 1. Oh, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Let me see, 12, 6, 8, 17, 13, 14, 12, 8, 6. That's all. Okay, now, my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. Well, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 7 plus 8 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 7 and 8 is already used in this big square, so only one combination left. 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6. So 2 boxes are left, the 6 and the box of 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. I cannot place the 3 in a box of 6, otherwise I need another 3. Double 3 is not allowed. So 2 be in the box of 7. Combination 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, so 1 box left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 5. Alright, and now there are 2, wait, 4 and 8, 4 and... One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 9, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 5. The 5 is already used, so it should be in the box of 12. Combination 4 and 8, 4 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes there. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. And I cannot place the 7 in the box of 6, of course. So the 7 should be definitely in the box of 10. Combination 7 and the 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. We have 2 boxes left in the first row, the box of 8 and the box of 12. One of the missing numbers is a 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 12. Combination 4 and 8, 4 and 8. The other pair in the first row are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be in a 6 goes adding. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. One of the missing number, let me see, is a 6. Well, one of the missing numbers is a 6. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course, so it should be in the box of 8. Combination 6 and a 2, 6 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, okay. Then, let me see, which number can I pick? How about, well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here can be 7, because we have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes, so the 7 could be in one of these 4 boxes. If I place the 7 in the box of 9, then the combination will be 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. But the 2 is already used in this column. So I cannot place the 7 there. So the 7 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Okay. One of the... there are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 3 is already used in this column. So I cannot place the 3 and the 2 here. So it should be 4 and a 1. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be in a 4 goes there. 2 and a 1. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 5 there in the box of 10. Otherwise, I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So the 5 supposed to be here, and 8 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. In the box of 14, the combination will be 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Need an 8 there. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 2 plus 4 and 1 plus 5. Well, the 2 is already used in this row, so I cannot place the 2 and the 4 there. So it should be 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 4, 4. 4 and 8. Let me see. Well. 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. Well, we have a 7 in this first column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, or there. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 14. Otherwise, I need another 7. Double 7 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 13. The combination here will be 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 9 and a 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright, and now 2 boxes are left in this big square. One of the missing number is 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9, we already have a 2 in this big square. So the 9 should be in the box of 14. Combination 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 in this column. Second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and the 8 are missing. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this column. First column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row? So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. In this triple box of 13, we have a 3 and a 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus a 1 is equal to 13. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, let me see. Yeah, 6 in this column. Oh, we have a pair. The 2 and the 6 in this column. The 2 and the 6 in that column. So the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and the 8 are missing. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no. Only 3 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 in this triple box of 14. 3 and 7, we already have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. These 2 boxes together should be 13. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Plus 5 is equal to 15. In the box of 9, the combination will be here 1 plus 8. So we have 2 boxes left, the box of 12 and the box of 8. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12, otherwise I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed, so the 6 should be in the box of 8. Combination 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and the 9. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 5 plus 4 is 12. No, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, 9 goes there. Double check. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. Finish in 18 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.